In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to start a three-way call in Dialpad. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your first call, add a second person, and merge everyone into a single conversation, whether you're using the Dialpad app or a desk phone connected to Dialpad. Start by placing a call just like you normally would. You can call a saved contact or dial a number directly from the Dialpad app on your computer or mobile device. Make sure your microphone and speakers or headset are selected correctly so you can hear and be heard clearly. Once the first person answers, you'll be on a one-on-one call. On the active call screen, look for the Add a Caller button. It typically looks like a person icon with a plus sign, and depending on your device, it may be labeled Add or simply show that icon. When you tap or click it, Dialpad will get ready to connect someone else. Don't worry if you see that the first caller is temporarily placed on hold. This is normal while you set up the next connection. Next, enter the name or phone number of the second person you want to bring into the conversation. If they're in your contacts, start typing their name and select them. If not, type their full number and confirm to dial. Dialpad will call that second person while keeping your original caller on hold in the background. When the second person picks up, you'll see options to complete the merge. Click Done or Merge to place everyone into the same call. At this point, all three of you should be able to hear and speak to each other in real time. If the second person doesn't answer, or you reach their voicemail, you can simply end that attempt, and you'll be returned to your original call without losing it. If you're using a desk phone connected to Dialpad, the process is similar. After your first call connects, press More and then Conference, or just look for a button labeled Conference. Dial the second number, wait for them to answer, and then press Conference again to bring all participants together. Different phone models may label these keys slightly differently, but the flow, call, add, then merge, remains the same. That's all there is to it. Place your initial call, add the second caller, and merge to start your three-way conversation. With these steps, you'll be able to coordinate quickly and keep everyone on the same page.